Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Passionate here and this is Easter Family Values. So I'm going to do a clean with me today, the master bedroom edition. Guys, throughout the week, I am just trying to understand how my room gets to this place, like of no return. You see all of the items on the dresser, that closet area. I'm actually going to save that for another video because I want to reorganize my closet. So that's going to take a little bit more time, but I want to show you all how I clean my master bedroom. And if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and gather up the sheets and the comforter because it is time to wash these items. If you have a white comforter, then you know that you're going to wash it pretty often. Sometimes I regret this, but I love my white comforter. While the comforter is washing, I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this dresser. I think this is like my catch-all. Everything from purses to paper, like mail, earrings, everything seems to land on this freaking dresser. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear it off and try to get some organization going here. So after clearing off everything off of this dresser, I'm gonna go ahead and take some Pledge all-purpose cleaner and just wipe this thing down. It's had its share of dust over the past week. For my mirrors, I'm using the Sprayway glass cleaner and coffee filters. I got this idea from Nina Renee 24 and it works really good. It doesn't leave any type of residue or any dust or anything behind. this would not be a good cleaning video without my little helper making her appearance. Hi, Madison.
And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested. Open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadow me, I won.
I have a lot of wood pieces in my room, so this Pledge all-purpose cleaner does the job for me. It's very light, which I love. Some of the wood cleaners that you come across, they're very thick and they leave a film. So this is really good. You should try it.
Like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested. Open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadow me, I won.
Finally, my bedding is dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and make up the bed and follow up with some vacuuming.
You gotta listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. This place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that
Well guys, I hope this video gave you all some motivation to get up and clean. This was my master bedroom edition of A Clean With Me. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you here. And don't forget to hit that notification bell and follow us on Instagram at Easter Family Values. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.
oh, I can't get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, 'cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamonds.